And here's how to easily send GIF in WhatsApp message. First of all, you have to update the WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And now if you see any new update available, first of all, update the WhatsApp app. Now go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat or conversation where you want to send GIF. Now tap on this emoji icon and here select GIF. Now from this suggested GIF list, you can select any GIF to send. Here we can see the GIF successfully sent. Now to search for a specific category GIF, tap on this search icon and here search GIFs. Now select the GIF and the GIF will be seen just like so. Thanks for watching.